Okay, then after you've done your Google Docs, you're going to do your digital citizenship orientation. You're going to click this link and you get your digital citizenship theory paper and the digital citizenship quiz. The digital citizenship theory paper opens up to an online document, and if you read the document, I believe you will find all of the answers that you need for the quiz. And the quiz is right here. Now you do need to pass your quiz. So you click quiz and you put your name in it and then take the quiz. When you're done, you finish taking your quiz, you're going to again Command Shift 4, so hit Command Shift and 4, the keyboard shortcut, and then click and drag your certificate that you get at the end of your quiz. When you're done that, you're going to do the next thing on the list on MissMonroe'sBlogsite.com, and that was you take your typing test. So first of all, you're going to go to the typing speed and you're going to log in. Now, not that it's anybody's business. Using to fast speed, we're going to be sticking to the free account. Then the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your typing test. Lesson. Once you're done your test, you want to go to statistics on the top nav bar and you want to check your results, and then using Command or Apple Shift number 4, you're going to take a picture of your typing test results and you are going to post it on your blog. When you're done that, you will know what your skill level is, and it tells me that I'm intermediate. And then you can go to the courses and you can take the course that you need to take, the intermediate course. Start with your first lesson. After you've taken enough lessons, I think minimum 5 in statistics, it will tell you what your problem keys are, and it will generate a course that is based around your problem keys. So then you can take just your problem keys and focus on that before you're ready to take your final test. So you want to work through the whole course over the course of the semester. So when you're done, you should have done all of these different steps, got all of this stuff done, watched the video if you needed to, and if you go to the sample blog that I have, which is under Monroe's sample, and I think I'll make it a link, you should have uploaded and posted digital citizenship, your essential question, done your quiz and your typing tests, and of course done all of the Google stuff that you had to do earlier.